Get ready for the cutest Aprés collab you've ever seen, because this summer, the Aprés Sanrio collection is coming. We've invited Hello Kitty and Kuromi to join our Aprés family with their very own exclusive Gel X kits. These limited edition items will only be here for a short time, so don't miss out on grabbing the cutest Gel X kits this year. In honor of Hello Kitty's 50th birthday, we are launching an exclusive Hello Kitty Gel X kit. This custom design kit features Hello Kitty's signature colors along with a bright red bow. Included inside are a full-size bottle of pH Bonder, Gel X Prep, Extend-Gel Non-Wipe, a new red gel color called Boater Together, and our top gel coat. An exclusive red Hello Kitty Omni Light is also included. And of course, a very special box of Hello Kitty Natural Almond Gel X tips featuring a unique bow cutout, available within the kit and also sold separately. Too cute! This is a HEMA-free Gel X kit. That means that all products included are HEMA-free, vegan, and cruelty-free. That means that no acid-free gel primer is included. However, with proper nail prep, Extend-Gel Non-Wipe can provide great hold and durability even without primer. For those who are a little bit of a rebel at heart, we're also launching an exclusive Kuromi Gel X kit. This custom design kit features Kuromi's signature black, pink, and purple colorways. Included inside are a full-size bottle of pH Bonder, Gel X Prep, Extend-Gel Non-Wipe, a brand new black French manicure gel called Mischief Madness, and a beautiful new pink and purple shimmery heavenly top gel coat called Troublemaker. An exclusive chrome pink Kuromi Omni Light is also included. And of course, a very special box of Kuromi Neutral French Natural Almond Gel X tips available within the kit and also sold separately. And just like the Hello Kitty Gel X kit, this kit is also HEMA-free. Sold individually are Hello Kitty and Kuromi Silicone Head Omni Lights. These unbelievably adorable Omni Lights feature silicone heads of each character, and when they are turned on, the light is emitted in the shape of either Hello Kitty's bow or Kuromi's face. After natural nail prep, apply pH Bonder to remove all oil and residue. Apply a thin layer of Extend-Gel Non-Wipe onto the natural nail and cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. With proper prep, Extend-Gel Non-Wipe can provide a durable and long-lasting hold even without primer. Scrub in Gel X Prep onto the underside of the Gel X tip. Apply a bead of Extend-Gel Non-Wipe onto the underside of the Gel X tip and apply at a 45-degree angle. Flash cure for 10 to 15 seconds. After applying all 5 fingers, fully cure hand for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. Scrub Gel X Prep over the surface of the Gel X tip. Apply a coat of Boater Together and cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. Apply a second coat and cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. Apply a top gel coat and cure for 30 seconds in an LED lamp. When applying neutral Gel X tips, remember to double the flash and full cure time. Our Kuromi Neutral French Gel X tips make French easier than ever before. Unlike our French Gel X tips that require a bottle of color Extend-Gel to complete the look, our neutral French Gel X tips already come with a perfect pinky nude base color. Simply create the smile line and go. Scrub Gel X Prep over the surface of the Gel X tip. Using the included French manicure gel in Mischief Madness, create the French smile line of your choice. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a second coat and cure for 30 seconds. Apply a heavenly top gel coat in Troublemaker and cure for 60 seconds in an LED lamp. This Sanrio collection is the cutest collection Aprés has ever developed by far. In fact, these Gel X kits are so adorable, we couldn't end there. So I wonder what other Sanrio items could be coming out this summer.